step 3 is recognize that once you get that in order, your return to work considerations, how do I want to do it? What are the legal implications? What kind of actual written policy should I have to cover off those legal obligations, whether it be the COVID-19 safety plan, as I talked about, a vaccination policy, and a return to work plan? I would say everybody should be considering some form of those 3 items to support your efforts, and then have them vetted by council and work through that. And once you have that, then it's time to communicate and expect or anticipate that there's going to be resistance to change, right? And recognize that hopefully getting out on the front end and communicating well with thoughtful policies that you are confident in, that they are compliant and fair and firm, frankly. If you've got to get to where you need to be as an organization, then management and folks can feel more confident in what you're rolling out because it's already been vetted for all of those things, right? And then when you get any sort of resistance or reluctance, hopefully it's much less because you've handled that communication piece off the front end. And then you drill into the individual circumstances of where is that reluctance coming from? And is there individual reasons that we need to be aware of as an employer to make sure that if there's an accommodation issue, we're getting the proper information and determining what it is and what do we need to do in that scenario. And if there's I qualify for some sort of leave issue, that we gather the proper information to determine whether this individual does qualify and they're obtaining, what they should in law.